Hi, my name is Maveen. I am from discoveryourlifetoday.com. Today I'm going to be talking about, should we be reconnecting with others? Is this a positive or negative thing? When was the last time you asked yourself if you should reconnect to the person you haven't spoken to in a really long time? If you are like many, I'm sure it's been weeks, months, or even years. I know when it comes to my personal life, I haven't really spent a lot of time reconnecting to people. Although it is in my heart to do so, I question the value it'll bring to me and the other person I'm hoping to reconnect to. Often, we get busy in our daily routines and we forget to connect with those we would like to. Although the phone is in our hands, in our pockets, or even by our sides, we don't always use it for how it was intended to be used. Social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram allow us to connect with people on our social media apps. But a large number of us never really talk to the people on our social media networks. We just look at the pictures, we read comments, we scroll through the pages, we hit the like button of the different friends on different pages. We feel like we are connecting to them because we are consuming the content that they are posting on a daily or even hourly basis. I'm guilty of this. I have hundreds of people on my social networks, but I only talk to a few of them. The rest, we don't really talk, but there is a mutual love and respect, but no actual connection. But why do we do this? Perhaps many of us only connect to those we like being around or have something in common with. Far too many of us have let relationships fade away instead of growing them. It's not like, we have to connect with them or don't have to connect with them because, we need to live our own lives. And sometimes we live the lives that are so busy and we forget that we should connect to others. We have so many other things that we have to do, take care of family, and we have other things that we would like to do, like our passion projects, whatnot. So we always say to ourselves, well, maybe I'll connect with this person tomorrow. We're really good at making excuses on why we should or should not connect with somebody in the moment. Maybe today's the time to reconnect with a friend or family member you haven't connected with in months. But before you do so, and pick up the phone or text them, consider this one point. If you were to reach out to them today, would you be adding value to their life? Or would that person add value to your life if you were to reconnect with them? Maybe they don't want to reconnect with you just as much as you want to reconnect with them, or vice versa. Sometimes we need to move on and not focus on past relationships. Rather, we need to build new relationships and that can take us into a greater future for ourselves. To do this, we must understand we need to add value to others. We need to grow up and not live in the past. Sometimes things are better left undone, and still they create an added value to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Maveen Kaura again. I am from discoveryourlifetoday.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video. Like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to share this on your social media apps so people can figure out if they should be reconnecting to others or not. Or if you're looking to reconnect to others, maybe you can share this video with them and say, hey, this is the reason I reconnected with you today. Hope you have yourself a fantastic day.